Well, so I finally got this hunk of junk done, and there was a lot of drama involved. I had to end up changing the whole engine block out because the original engine block had a bunch of wear along the cylinder walls, which affected the compression, unfortunately. So out it had to go. Because this is some weird crankshaft size that only accepts the pulley that originally came with this unit, I had to swap out the crankshaft as well onto the new engine block. Got everything put back together, seemed to run okay, and then it just started going wide open throttle. I shut it off in time, or so I thought. Took it back off. Turns out the governor blew up. Here's the governor / oil slinger, and you can see one of the arms came off. This pin, that arm, and that little cup here were just sitting inside of the engine. While it was running, it started to run kind of funny, started making a bunch of racket, and that's because this thing actually failed. You can see where all the teeth broke off of it. So this wasn't even spinning at that point. Unfortunately, it wasn't running any oil. I had let it run for about 5-6 seconds maybe, but I got everything back together, put a new replacement governor back into it from another used engine, and it actually works and runs now as it should.